A very good morning and welcome to our fruits and vegetable market. Today, our little shoppers will explore the colorful fruits and vegetables. They will learn how to pick, name and even buy fresh goodies just like a real market. Let's have fun while learning, buying and healthy choices and play too. So, let's begin the fun. Come on.
Come, I am a greengrocer. Come, get your daily dose of vitamins. Come, आओ, फल ले जाओ. मीठे ताजे फल ले जाओ.
Hello everyone, I am a local vegetable vendor, proud to serve my community with fresh, clean and seasonal vegetable every day. सब्जी वाली गाड़ी आई, सेहत वाली बातें लाई. आलू, गोभी, मटर, गाजर, सब्जियों में है ताकत का असर. Come, everyone come, buy vegetable fruits and come. आइए, welcome to greengrocer market. Buy fresh and green vegetables. Yes ma'am, which vegetable do you want? बनाना की बहुत सारी सब्जियां हैं. आपको कौन सी सब्जी लेनी है? टोमेटो. ओके, टोमेटो है 10 रुपीज kg.
What do you want? Come, रंग बिरंगे फल ले लो. What do you want, sir?
Give me money.
Okay, give me money. Mango.
A से आलू, B से भिंडी, C से करेला, थोड़ा सा जिद्दी. Buy green fresh vegetable. Come. I want corn cob. So the 10 rupees. Market कुछ भी नहीं. Open your hand.
Give me money. What do you want?
आपको क्या चाहिए मैम? लेमन?
Give me money.
ये दोनों न्यू हैं.
What do you want?
जी.
What do you want?
कुछ और मत.
What do you want? What do you want?
नदी.
What do you want? 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 Give me money. What do you want? What do you want, ma'am?
Open your bag ma'am.
Give me
आपकी कौन सी सब्जी चाहिए मैम? कैप्सिकम। Give me money, ma'am. सुनो, कितना ये 20 दे देना। जोर से बोलना। What is this? Isha, what is this? I want banana.
Open your bag. Okay, ma'am. Come back soon, ma'am. What do you want, ma'am? Plum. Okay, give me money. Open your bag, ma'am. Open your bag, ma'am.
English में बोलना, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Come back soon, ma'am. Come. Buy fruits.
Buy some fruits and vegetables here.
What do you want? What do you want?
Tomato. Give me money, ma'am, please. Lemon. Anushri, speak loudly. I want lemon. सुनिए ऐसे करते हैं ना। Tomato. Okay, tomato. Tisha, what do you want? Capsicum. Bolo, I want capsicum. What do you want? क्या चाहिए? Tomato. उनको बताइए. I want tomato. बोलिए I want tomato.
Watermelon. Banana. Give me money. Give me. What do you want? What do you want? Banana.
I want pomegranate.
Give me money. Give me money. Bye. What do you want? Mango. Give me money. Thank you.
जोर से
There is no tomato. यहाँ कोई टमाटर नहीं है. यहाँ फलों का मेला है. आपको कौन सा फल चाहिए? Okay, give me money. Open your bag, sir. Okay, sir. Come back soon, sir. Which fruit do you want, ma'am?
What do you want? क्या लेना है आपको?
Open your bag. Buy fruit. Okay, give me money.
What do you want? What do you want?
Open your bag, sir. Welcome. Come, buy fruit.
आपका टमाटर. What do you want?
Open your bag, sir.
मेरी भाई का
Come back soon, sir.
मैं thank you.
Welcome.